Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learning Maths with Namita. In today's lesson, we will learn the comparison of 3-digit and 4-digit numbers. In our previous video, we have already compared the single digit and 2-digit numbers, where we learned about two different scenarios that while comparing the numbers, we may have the numbers which have same number of digit, right? Like 132 and 232, or 4461 and 4342. Here both the numbers are 3-digit numbers, and here we have 4 digits in both the numbers, right? Another situation may be where the numbers have different number of digits, right? Like we compare 132 with 4342, or we compare 4461 to 232. So here we are comparing a 3-digit number with a 4-digit number, right? So we'll compare all these numbers one by one, right? So starting with the first set of numbers that we have, 132 and 232. Here we have 3 digits, ones, tens and hundreds. In this number also ones, tens and hundred. And what is the rule of comparison? That we always start comparing the digit which is at the highest place value. So here hundreds is the highest place value. So we'll compare this one and this 2. So between 1 and 2, which is the greater number? This is simple, right? Let's suppose you have one chocolate and your friend has 2 chocolates. So who has more chocolates? Your friend, right? So 2 is greater than 1, or we can say 1 is smaller than 2. So the number which has 1 at the hundreds place value will be the smaller number. So 132 will be smaller than 232. All right? So we can put the sign like this. Got it? Moving on to the next number, which is a comparison of 4-digit numbers. We see that we have 4 digits here: ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Same here, ones, tens, hundred and thousands, right? So what do we have at highest place value? Here we have 4, here again we have 4. So 4 and 4 in both the numbers at thousands place value. No comparisons can be made because they both are equal. What do we do in such situations? We compare the next digit, right? So here we have 4 at hundreds place value, and here we have 3 at hundreds place value. So between 3 and 4, which is the greater number? 4 is the greater one, right? So the number which has 4 at hundreds place will be the greater number as compared to the number which has 3 at hundreds place, which means 4461 is greater than 4342. Okay? All right. So it concludes that we need to put the sign like this. Okay. And what if the numbers were written in this order? What would have been the sign? Think about it. We will put the sign like this because the number which is greater will have the bigger side facing towards it. All right. Okay. Now we'll compare the numbers which are having different number of digits. So when it comes to 3-digit and 4-digit number comparison, we always see that this number 132 has only 3 digits, ones, tens and hundreds, whereas this number has 4 digits, ones, tens, hundred and thousands. So the number which has more number of digits will be the greater number, always. Okay? No need to do extra calculation, extra comparison, nothing. Always remember, when you are comparing the numbers with different number of digits, whichever number has the more number of digits will always be greater than the number which has less number of digits. Okay? In the same way here, can you solve this? Give it a try. Pause the video and think about it. Which is the greater number here? So this number has 4 digits, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. This number has 3 digits, ones, tens and hundreds, right? So the number which has more number of digits, this has 4 number of digits. This is greater than 232. Okay. I hope I could make it simple for you and you understood the concept, right? Now, I want you to practice some comparisons on your own. It will help you understand better. The more you practice, the concept will be more clear, right? So, let's have some numbers. So, you need to practice the comparisons for compare 425 with 407. Compare 9028 with 9120. And the third comparison I want you to try is 425 with 9028. Okay? Follow the same process. Don't get scared about how many digits a number has, if the digit is repeated. Nothing. The process is simple. Do it step by step and you'll get the answer. Alright, this was it for today's video. In the next session, we will solve all these questions together. We'll make all the comparisons together so that you can cross-check your comparisons and be assured that you have learned the concept clearly. In the next video, I hope to see you with your comparisons done. Alright? I also offer personalized one-to-one mentoring in maths. If your child needs guidance on maths concepts, you can get in touch with me for online classes. Bye-bye.